Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave-SPX.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 12th and the chart of the day for today is the S&P 500 SPX 30 minutes time frame here. We can see we ended with 2 at 5191 and currently rallying higher. That means we are now within the wave 3 to the upside. Within the wave 3 it subdivides into 5 waves, so we're ending one here and the 2 possibly has ended here. Now I'm gonna explain the alternate scenario and what's the safest way if you want to participate or if you are trading the S&P, what's the safest way. Okay, and now according to this view, so basically we have started in the next leg higher, right? So this is the most aggressive view that we can come up in the direction of the right side, which is bullish, right? Now the view here suggests the wave 2 of 3 ended here and we start the next leg up, but the only one risk on trading this kind of view here is the idea that this wave 2 here is pretty shallow, right? If you consider the rally from the low here to this high here is wave 1, your wave 2 here, if you use the retracement, now in a strong bullish market this can happen, I don't deny that, but from probability perspective and if you are trading it, it's too risky. The wave 2 here you can see didn't hit even the 23.6% retracement, right? If you recall, wave 4 typically, I'm saying typically because it's not 100%, wave 4 usually is around 23.6, 38.2 of the wave 3. Wave 2, in this case, you are looking wave 2, ideally at least reaches 38.2. Ideally, right? And sometimes can be 50, 61.8, 6, even retesting the low, right? That's the nature of wave 2, wave B, and wave X, right? Now, in this case, in a very strong trend, yes, sometimes you can have a instance where wave 2 is very shallow in this case, but again, if you are trading it, I don't think you should be doing that. I don't think you should try, oh, let me buy this against this, because that's too risky. Plus, if you look at the RSI, you can clearly see still has a divergence here. Now, if we continue to explode on the upside in the next few days, now remember, tomorrow there will be CPI and the FOMC combined. Let's say if we really get explosion higher, and what I mean by explosion is an impulsive move like this, very strong move, and the RSI is also exploding to the upside, breaking above here, then I think this view becomes more reliable. This view becomes more likely, okay? But until that happens, because you still have a divergence here, there is a possibility that we are actually, despite the new high here, we are still ending 5. So I can change the count a little bit into the alternate like this, right? I can change it like this, and nothing's wrong with this view. I mean, this view is perfectly fine, right? So that means the pullback is not going to be this, shallow pullback like this. Is once we end with 1 here, we're going to be ending this cycle, and then you're going to be seeing a little bit bigger pullback like this. Again, remember the principle, ideally 38.2, if not more. Then I'm looking for a decent risk pullback like this, possibly in the alternate scenario to finish with 2 before higher again, right? So if I'm trading it, I would assume this way for now, because that's the safest way to do it. Instead of chasing like maniac against this low, for example, it's very risky, I think. So I would need to assume it like this. So I'm waiting for a larger degree pullback against this low, so correction against this cycle. Or if we get explosion higher, right? We get explosion higher, and I think we will know about it very soon tomorrow after the FOMC, right? If we get explosion higher, like this, very strong move, and the RSI also erase the divergence, then I will be more willing to buy the dips aggressively. Okay, so that is the view in the SNB. Hopefully that helps. And if you do want to try our service and look at other indices, ETF, stocks, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.